The very word stotram means verses or lines written in stuti of someone. Stuti is to glorify, to sing the praise of someone. You know, when you want to, it is not about flattering when we praise someone, because here, when any stuti done to the Lord or to the goddess, they are they dependent on this stuti for their greatness? So it is not to be considered as flattering, because people think when we compose or we sing in the glory or praise the Lord, does Lord, many people who do not believe, especially they have this question: why do we have to praise them? Do they need, are they, influenced? If you praise them and somebody cannot praise, so they are going to be bereft of their grace? Is it like that? Not at all. Because if they have to be like this, then what kind of gods they are in the first place? They are not dependent on this at all. Grace is available whichever way. And Ishvara Kripa is such. Even for the one who does not know that it is grace, through grace, because of which I am acting, I am speaking, I am sleeping, I am walking, I am talking. Even if we do not recognize it, that grace is there, and so it is happening. So then why is the stuti done? And why is somebody like Bhagavan Adi Shankara done stuti of Mata Annapurna? When we do stuti, it is in our own way, limited, small way. We acknowledge, we have come to experience something, maybe for the first time, know the greatness. Suppose you hear about or see something, experience something really great, which you haven't before. Immediately, what do? Oh, that was wonderful. Oh, I have never seen anything. Oh, isn't it? That sense of wonderment, that sense of acknowledgement, that is there. So then you say, oh, that was beautiful. What an experience. You will remember it. You will not only remember it, you may want to share it with your friends also. You better have that experience. You too must experience like that sometime. You share it. In that, stuti is happening. You have to glorify. Otherwise, why would your friend want to go and have that? First of all, that acknowledgement, that recognition has come. In that recognition, you can't but not do stuti. You are not praising or flattering somebody because of that. So here, somebody like Adi Shankara has done stuti. Now, in our own limited ways, we also feel that urge and we do that. What if Bhagavan has written in stuti of Mata Annapurna? Then, how great that must be. Are we in a position to even acknowledge that greatness? Is what we must see. Bhagavan Shankara has seen that. What has he seen? Can I see through his eyes? And he has appreciated the beauty. He who is a Jagat Guru, who is a teacher of all the Shastras, he has written so many commentaries of some of the deepest sutras. He has made it crystal clear for students like you and I who come and we want to read and understand. Such a person has written stuti on Mata Annapurna. then we must try to understand. Come to acknowledge, we must recognize who or what this Mata Annapurna Stuti is all about.